How to stack coupons on Shein account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can stack coupons on Shein account to get more discounts. Now here's the trick. What you can do is you can open up a Shein app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you'll get basically an interface like this. You want to head into the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here under More Services you'll find the option My Reference. Now in my case here I've not verified my email, so I'm not getting the option, but once you have verified it, you'll find here under My Services you can see Support Service Center and Gals, and you'll be able to see My Reference option there as well. Now the next thing what you want to do is you want to find out the code from the TikTok or Reddit or any other places where they do giveaways. Now you can head into TikTok and you can search in for Shein coupons or such, and there you can either search in for Shein reference code and there on Google or YouTube or TikTok, and then input the code on this My Reference option here pays to get $2 off of every purchase over $29 for the next 90 days. Now once you do so, that'll be applied, and what you want to do is you want to head into your cart and you want to proceed to checkout. On the checkout here, I'll just check this out quickly. If you tap on checkout, you'll be able to apply your voucher as well once you enter in your shipping address here. Now here I haven't entered in my shipping address, but if you do so, you'll be able to, there you'll find an option to add the coupon code as well, and there you can add coupon code. In case you don't have coupon code, you can head into your Me option, and there you can see 7 vouchers. You can see vouchers available, and you can use this coupon codes as well, our vouchers as well. So this way you can stack Shein coupons. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.